Hello there. Let's talk my travel makeup bag. This bag I got from Amazon and it was $10 and I love it so much. I use it to travel everywhere, but let's get right into the video and let's clean it out. This top row here has a mesh bag. I have some Q-tips for cleaning up makeup and other uses, of course. I have a spray makeup setting spray, and this actually is from LA Colors. I got this ages ago. I don't see it anymore, but the size comes in very handy, easy for travel. This is, as you can see, L. This is a wax in a stick, if it would come up. And this is something definitely I'm going to keep. So that is keep. Oh, that is keep. Here we have my brushes. I did off camera go through all my brushes, and this section is all set. There's nothing that I'm going to take out of here. Everything in this top row is keep. Where I'm having the situation is the products, but we're not going to go through all the products. We're just going to go through what is keep and what is stay and what is throw away. This stuff, throw away. This is a definite go. This nail file, keep. All right, so that's all nice and clean. These eyeliners, this is one from El Maquillage. This is one from, as I can tell, either NYX or Black Opal. That is a keep. These eyeshadow palettes, and this is from Ipsy. This is different from Ipsy. This is a nice bronzer. This is something to keep because of the size. These are other tools for eyelashes, silicone applicators. This is a definite leave, a definite throwaway. This is a mascara. This is a definite throwaway. This is a keep. This is from Pacifica. This is a highlighter and a blush. This is a definite keep. They don't even make this anymore. And it also has a mirror at the back so you can see that you're seeing me. This is setting powder in the definite travel size from one size. Lovely brand, lovely product, refillable, definite keep. These are Q-tips and other non-pilling Q-tips. This is definite keep. This is a sharpener, definite keep. This particular makeup, great from Black Opal, their True Color brand. However, I need to replace the shade because I am much lighter, and this is a definite just switch for a different shade. And this is some cream, which has spoiled, so this is a definite replace. And there we have it. This is what, so let me put this stuff back. Keep, 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 and that's all that we're keeping for now. Stay tuned for part 2 when I replace those items.